Well, President Trump and Republican leaders are at Camp David right now talking about infrastructure and other 2018 goals. Senator Sherrod Brown hopes his bridge bill could be part of the broader infrastructure package that the president wants Congress to pass.
Senator Sherrod Brown says Congress needs to focus on repairing and replacing outdated bridges.
Anywhere you live in Ohio, you cross bridges that probably aren't safe.
This week, Brown introduced a bill that would invest $75 billion in bridges over 10 years. It would streamline applications to speed up the repair process and require projects funded under the bill to use American steel and iron.
The bridges bill especially is an issue about not just investment and putting people to work, it's about public safety.
The American Society of Civil Engineers grades the nation's infrastructure every 4 years. The group gives America's bridges a C+.
There are 60,000 structurally deficient bridges that remain in the United States. It's just a constant economic drag on the economy.
ASCE Director Casey Dinges says when Republicans passed tax reform, they should have raised the federal gas tax to cover the cost of aging infrastructure.
That was last adjusted in 1993, 25 years ago. Since then, it has lost 40% of its purchasing power, and they missed a chance with this tax bill.
How to pay for an infrastructure upgrade will likely be a serious point of debate between the two parties, but Brown hopes Republicans work across the aisle and include his bill in the $1 trillion infrastructure plan the president has promised.
The American Society of Civil Engineers went on to say that outdated infrastructure could end up curbing some of that economic growth Republicans hope to see from tax reform. They say that's because when bridges aren't safe for trucks, drivers have to find workarounds, and that costs businesses time and money. Reporting live in Washington, Jessica Smith, NBC4.
And Jessica, quick question for you. When might we learn more about the president's plan for infrastructure?
We should have a better idea once the president and the Republican leaders get back from Camp David, but we expect it to be sometime this month, perhaps during the president's State of the Union address. That's on the 30th.
All right, Jessica Smith, thank you.